Good day, everyone. My name is Joanna April. I'm 28 years old from the Philippines. Why do I want to become a cabin crew someday? Well, I'm very passionate about the airlines. I've always dreamed about becoming a flight attendant someday since I was very young. And now I'm here to pursue my dream. Hopefully, I wanted to become a flight attendant in your airline someday. So, about my personality, I am very friendly, I am hardworking, and I love interacting with different people from different walks of life. So, a flight attendant is not just serving coffee or tea, or that is making the passengers comfortable inside the aircraft, but also loving the job as well. And because I love that job, I do want to make everyone safe. And it's my responsibility to take care of each and everyone inside the aircraft. That's why I wanted to become a cabin crew.